With special thanks to our friends at UNESPA, the board and the members of the International Insurance Society welcome you to our 46th annual seminar in Madrid.
We've been through a once-in-a-generation event, and none of us have had that experience before, so I think it's very important to compare notes to see what we can do to get ourselves out of this mess.
The way insurance companies seek to achieve profitable growth in the aftermath of the financial crisis is quite different than the coping mechanisms of banks and asset managers and mortgage lenders.
The challenges of this time can also be turned into opportunities to maybe distance competitors further from your own company.
I think the most important reason why the IIS seminar is being held in Europe is because there has been a crisis of confidence among the Eurozone governments. And our insurance industry is particularly well equipped to deal with these issues. So we want to make a show of force in Europe.
There are several discussions related with low-cost insurances or microinsurances.
The main issue is solvency. The second issue is growth. The third issue is obviously emerging markets.
We need to, in a sense, speed up innovation, which can lead to a good business.
There's a heightened regulatory intervention in the insurance industry. Some fear it may be a punitive intervention.
Insurers have a big job to do to restore trust, and that's in the minds of our customers, of course, but it's also in the minds of the regulators, in the minds of the analysts, in the minds of the commentators out there.
This year, persons attending the seminar will find that the 3 days will cover very well the problems that we are facing.
If people are together, then they share those information face to face. I think that's easy to learn, easy to really adopt great models from others.
The way the IIS seminar addresses this issue in this particular year is to expand our typical one regulatory panel to two regulatory panels, one dealing specifically with systemic risk in insurance and the other with building a positive regulatory outlook.
I think the academic sessions are my favorite part of the IIS seminar.
It would be very difficult to me to point out 2 or 3 or even 10 of the 51 speakers. I think all of them are muy buenos.
Every year I attend the IIS meeting, then I will bring those questions and issues back to China. I usually will write something, publish the article in the newspaper.
Welcome to the 46th annual IIS seminar.
Bem-vindo a todos ao 46º IIS Seminar aqui na Espanha.
欢迎参加第46届国际保险学会的西班牙年会。
I'd like to welcome you to the 2010 IIS Seminar.
Herzlich willkommen zum IIS-Seminar 2010 in Madrid. Ich denke, wir haben eine spannende Tagung vor uns.
Bienvenidos a la conferencia del IIS del 2010 y espero que todos tengan una muy feliz estancia en Madrid.